the rest complains of cares to come.
And I will make the blend the process.
In 1,000 fragrant poses.
A cup of flour and a kirtle.
Embroidered with all the lips of mortals.
The flowers do fade, and one shall feel, to wayward winter reckoning years. A honey tongue, a heart of gold, in fancy's face the sorrows fall.
A gown made of finest wools.
Which for pretty lamps should fall.
Fair line sleepers for the cold. With bottles of the purest gold.
Thy gowns, thy shoes, thy bed of roses, thy cup, thy curtain, and thy toaster. Soon wither, soon break, soon wither, soon forgotten. In folly ripe, in reason rotten.
A bed of straw and ivy buds, with corncloths and amber studs. And if these pleasures made you move,
Come with me and be my love.
Thy belt of straw and ivy buds, thy coral clasp and amber studs. All this in me no means can move, to live with thee and be thy love.
the shepherd's wing shall dance and sing, for thy delights may each morning. If these delights thy mind may move,
Then live with me and be my love.
But could youth last and love still be? but could youth last and love still breathe, had there no day nor age no need. Then this delight my mind might move, to live with thee and be thy love.
Thank you. Next.
Christian.